Hello and welcome to World History in Short Videos. Today, we're going to be exploring the groundbreaking story of one of the most influential and groundbreaking technological advancements of the 20th century, the IBM personal computer. Launched in 1981, the IBM PC set the standard for personal computing, and its impact can still be felt today, more than 40 years later. Let's talk about this important chapter in the history of technology. Before the IBM PC, IBM was primarily known for its mainframe computers, which were large and expensive machines designed for businesses and government organizations. However, by the late 1970s, the computer industry was changing rapidly with the advent of microprocessors and personal computers. IBM realized it needed to adapt to these changes and create a computer that could compete with the growing number of personal computers that were becoming available. In 1980, IBM formed a new division dedicated to creating its first personal computer. The team consisted of 12 engineers, who were tasked with creating a machine that would be compatible with other personal computers and yet distinctive enough to stand out. After just a year of development, the IBM PC was launched in August 1981. The IBM PC was designed to be user-friendly and expandable, with an open architecture that allowed for easy upgrades and compatibility with other devices. It came with 16 kilobytes of memory, which could be expanded to 256 kilobytes, and a 4.77 MHz Intel 8088 processor. It also came with the MS-DOS operating system, which was developed by Microsoft specifically for the IBM PC. This operating system quickly became the dominant operating system for personal computers and helped to establish IBM as a major player in the personal computer market. The IBM PC was an immediate success, and it quickly became the standard for personal computing. Its open architecture and compatibility with other devices helped to spur innovation and growth in the computer industry, as other companies started to create their own personal computers and peripheral devices. The IBM PC also helped to democratize access to computing, making it possible for individuals and small businesses to have their own computers for the first time. The IBM PC was quickly adopted by businesses, schools, and governments, who saw its potential as a tool for productivity and communication. Its user-friendly interface and expandability made it a popular choice for computer novices and experts alike, and it soon became one of the most widely used personal computers in the world. The IBM PC has had a lasting impact on the computer industry and society as a whole. Its open architecture and compatibility with other devices helped to create the personal computer market and spur innovation in the field. It also helped to make computing accessible to a wider audience and paved the way for future advancements in personal computing. And that's the story of the IBM PC, a technological milestone that changed the world. We hope you enjoyed this look back at this important chapter in the history of technology. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. We'll see you in the next one.